Using predictive maintenance for HVAC businesses, enhance efficiency and client satisfaction. The HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry is continuously growing, and providing excellent client satisfaction and operational efficiency is essential. One method to accomplish these objectives is by embracing predictive maintenance methods. Predictive maintenance is an approach that involves tracking equipment conditions and performance data to expect when a failure may happen. This contrasts with reactive maintenance, which addresses issues only after they've caused a problem, and preventative maintenance, which follows a predetermined schedule irrespective of actual equipment conditions. Decreased equipment downtime. Identify potential issues before they result in equipment failure. Enhanced efficiency. Optimize maintenance schedules and allocate resources more effectively. Improved customer satisfaction. Deliver better customer service by addressing issues before they become critical. Cost reductions. Create cost savings for HVAC businesses by minimizing equipment downtime and optimizing maintenance schedules. Incorporating predictive maintenance into HVAC operations. Invest in suitable technology. Educate your technicians. Create a predictive maintenance plan. Track and analyze data. Refine and optimize the program. Incorporating predictive maintenance into HVAC operations leads to many benefits, including reduced equipment downtime, increased efficiency, improved customer satisfaction, and cost savings. Thanks for watching.